Most people are still paying creators, waiting days, sometimes weeks, just to get one ad that might work. Now imagine turning any product into a scroll-stopping UGC video in under 5 minutes. No camera, no actors, no back and forth. That's exactly what Create UGC does. And honestly, once you see this, it's hard to go back.
If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game.
So let's say you're running a drop shipping store or even just testing products. You find something with potential, but now comes the hard part, content. You either spend money on creators or try filming it yourself, and neither is fast. Now here's where Create UGC flips that. You literally paste your product link and the AI will pull out all the information such as product name, product description, and even media assets, and that's it. The platform pulls everything together and builds the foundation of your ad for you. And the crazy part? You're not just getting a generic video, it actually looks like something a real creator filmed on their phone, which is exactly what performs best right now.
The FG Bottles vacuum insulation truly works. My tea stayed hot for 6 hours. Highly recommend investing in one if you value temperature control.
Now stay with me here, because this is where it gets interesting. You know how most ads fail because the hook is weak? That first 3 seconds decides everything. With Create UGC, you can test multiple hooks instantly. You can write your own script or let the AI generate one based on proven ad structures, hook, problem, solution, CTA, all built in. So instead of guessing what works, you can create 5 to 10 variations of the same product ad in minutes. And this is the part most people miss. Scaling isn't about one winning ad anymore. It's about testing volume fast. And this tool basically hands you that ability. Now let's talk about avatars, because this is where people usually get skeptical. You're probably thinking AI avatars won't look real enough. But honestly, these look shockingly human. You can choose different styles, voices, even languages depending on your audience. So if you're targeting TikTok, you can make it feel casual and native. If you're running Facebook ads, you can adjust the tone. And instead of hiring different creators for different markets, you just switch avatars. That alone saves a ridiculous amount of time and money. Now imagine you're an agency or even just scaling your own brand. You don't need one video. You need dozens, different angles, different hooks, different audiences. Normally that would mean managing multiple creators, briefs, revisions. It's chaos. But with Create UGC, you can go from one script to 10 variations before lunch. Literally. You generate, download, launch, and start testing immediately. And because everything is so fast, you can actually learn what works instead of guessing. And honestly, this ties into something bigger. UGC isn't just a trend anymore, it's the standard. People trust content that feels real, but producing that at scale has always been the bottleneck. What Create UGC does is remove that bottleneck completely. No delays, no freelancers, no production headaches, just ideas turning into ads almost instantly. And if you're just starting out, it's even more powerful. You don't need experience, you don't need gear, you just need a product and a basic idea, and the platform helps you do the rest, which makes it perfect for beginners, dropshippers, or anyone trying to get their first winning ad. Create UGC basically gives you the ability to produce high-converting ads at scale without the usual cost or complexity. And that's a serious advantage right now. If you want to try it yourself, check the link below. And if you've got questions or want me to break down winning ad angles, drop them in the comments.